to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Today's recipe is a banana cake or a banana loaf. And the reason I'm making it is because my bananas look like this. And I don't want to throw them out. So the best way to take advantage of fruit which is overripe is making cookies or breads. And like that, we don't waste food. My kids and I usually have banana smoothies every morning, but with the heat, the bananas tend to ripen really fast. So like these I just bought a day or two ago and they already have freckles on them. So if you don't have super ripe bananas, any ripe banana will do for the recipe, but it's the point of this recipe is to make use of these ugly looking ones. In this case, the banana loaf I'm making is going to have chocolate chips. Usually you can add almonds or walnuts, but my husband isn't a fan of those and my kids wanted chocolate chips, so we're going to go for the chocolate chip this time. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. The ingredients you need to make your banana loaf are 4 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 100 grams of melted butter, or the equivalent would be half a cup, 1 can of condensed milk, which is 397 grams, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of flour, the equivalent is 250 grams, a dash of salt, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips. Okay, so let's get started. It's super easy. It's basically 2 or 3 steps. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mash our bananas, mash them really well, making baby food kind of. And once they're mashed, we're gonna add the rest of the liquid ingredients. We're gonna add our eggs, we can give them a light whisk, the butter, which is melted, the vanilla extract, and the condensed milk. We're gonna add that all in there and we're gonna mix well. The next step is in another bowl, we're going to sift all our dry ingredients. So we're gonna put the flour and all the other dry ingredients in there. We're gonna sift and we're gonna mix. We're also gonna add the chocolate chips in there. And once we've done that, we're gonna add all our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and we're gonna mix well, and that would be it. Okay, so the batter is done. As you saw, it's super easy. Whatever type of pan you're going to be using, in this case I'm using a loaf pan, you can either put some baking paper on it or grease it and put some flour so it doesn't stick. That being said, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius, and we're going to transfer our batter into our pan and we're going to bake for about 70 minutes. What I recommend is as of 60 minutes, you can check with a toothpick. You insert the toothpick in your bread. If it comes out clean, it means your bread is done. If it's still too moist, then you can leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Each oven is different. So for me, 70 minutes work. For you, it might be less, or you might need more. So just a recommendation. Let's start baking. Okay, so we're done. The bread is finally out of its baking mold. It's super yummy. It's raining today, so there's no better way to enjoy the rain than some coffee or hot chocolate and a nice piece of fresh made bread. Let me show you guys a close-up of the bread so you can crave it. Looks yummy, huh? Better start baking. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you make the recipe. Write down in the comments what you thought of it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.